Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I made this beautiful daisy chain bracelet in the colors of a rainbow. With spring around the corner, this will be the perfect bracelet. The items that you will need for this project are seed beads, jewelry wire or fishing line, crimping beads, jumping hoops, lobster clasp and a little chain. I am using silver for this project, but you can also use gold if that is more your style. And you will need some scissors. Let's get started. You grab the lobster clasp and place this right in the middle of your wire. Then you grab both ends and add a crimping bead to this. Then we take a white bead and put it on one end of the wire. Grab the other end and cross it over like this. Then we grab a light blue bead and we do the same thing, we cross it over by putting the other end through the other side of the bead. Then we grab both ends and put 2 blue beads on each end so that it looks like this. Then we grab both ends together and put both ends through one white bead. Pull it nice and tight. Then you grab the ends of the wire and push them from the bottom up those 2 beads. And you do the same thing on the other side. You pull the wire nice and tight. Then you grab another blue bead. You once again do the crossover technique, just like this. And there you have it, your first daisy of a daisy chain. I will show you one more time how to do this, but you can also skip this part. You grab a green bead and cross it over just like this. Push this bead to the end, grab both ends of the wire again and attach 2 green beads to both sides. Then we grab a white bead and pull both ends through the white bead. Pull all the beads to the bottom and go from the bottom up. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we take another green bead, pull the other wire through the other side of the bead, and now you have 2 daisies of your daisy chain. I go from blue, green, to yellow, to pink, to purple, and then repeat the colors with blue, green, yellow, pink, and purple. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time.